In this video, I'm going to share with you my web design process and explain what happens after the discovery phase of a website project. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll also share with you how you can enter a competition to win a website audit worth €247 so that you can get actionable recommendations to help you boost the performance of your website. Hi, I'm Aidan Quigley from aq.ie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about tech, web design and branding. It's time now to announce the winner of the second website audit prize, and the winner is Natural Look Clinic. Congratulations, Natural Look Clinic, and I'll be in touch to share your website audit. Before we get into it, give the video a like if you enjoy the content, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell, and then select all to turn on post notifications. Let's go! After the discovery and strategy phase of the web design process that I talked about in episode 2 of this series, which I'll link up here, is the design phase. So in the design phase, we'll be taking a look at the content that the website requires, a site structure based on the sitemap created in the first phase, and developing wireframes to communicate how the content is going to live on each page. The first step here is to develop the copy and content for the website. That involves creating copy, imagery, video, whatever it is that you want to put on the website. That needs to be created in advance of creating a wireframe so that the designer has an idea of what they're working with. So usually the company that's hired me will write the copy, and then together we'll figure out if the photography and videography resources that we have already are sufficient, or if we're going to do a photo shoot or video shoot to get extra content for the new website. At this point, if we need photos or video or testimonials from customers, that's when we source this. While you're developing copy and content for the website, I'll be gathering inspiration in a Moodboard so that I can take the content that you provide and run with it to make a beautiful website. Once the content has been created and compiled, I'll begin to sketch out the website so that I can iterate ideas quickly and get to the best content and layout structure for the website. Once we're satisfied with the sketches and the content layout, I'll take that into a design software like Adobe XD and create wireframes. At this point, the client has 2 rounds of feedback to make sure they're happy with the wireframes moving forward so that I can progress to the next stage in the process, which is creating high fidelity design mockups. And that's what I'm going to be looking into in the 4th episode of this 5-part series. If you're enjoying the content, give the video a like and let me know in the comments below what you found most useful. Now on to the competition. I'm giving away a free website audit with each episode in this 5-part series to give you actionable recommendations to help boost your website's performance. If you're looking to help make your website even better, but you don't know where to start, then you need this website audit. To enter the competition, follow the rules in the description below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button and select all to turn on post notifications. Check out some of my other videos over here, and that's it for this week. Thanks for watching.